Hello, lovelies. How are you guys doing? Thank you for stopping by. I really do appreciate you all. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this juicy looking oven grilled chicken. If you want to see how I achieved this grilled chicken, please continue watching. Here are the ingredients that I'll be needing. Over here is a soft chicken thighs, as you can see, well washed. And here is some garlic, one habanero pepper, onion, and some ginger. Also, I have one stock cube. Over there is all seasoning powder and some salt. I have some suya spices here. You can see it. And here is my rosemary, basil leaves, and also oregano, sorry. And here is nutmeg, yes, nutmeg. I'll be making use of some vegetable oil also. You can choose to use olive oil if you like. And also here is my hand mixer. I'll be blending my ginger, onion, garlic in the hand mixer. Okay, so now to get started, I'm going to pepper dry the chicken just to take out some excess water on the chicken. That's what you see me doing. After doing that, I'm going to add all my ingredients into the hand mixer. Then I chop it together, I mix it together. I'm going to blend it with oil, not water. Okay, adding a little bit of oil for easy blending. I'm not using water here. Close it up and then mix everything together. Guys, please don't hesitate to give this video a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate that. After mixing it for a while, then it's time for me to add all my seasoning. I'm going to add all those seasoning into the pepper mix. Then I'll mix it again. I'm starting with my stock cube, as you can see. Then I go on with the rest of the powder, the seasoning powder, as I listed earlier. Over here is the salt. I'm going to add all of them according to my need. Then I'll cover it up and blend everything together again. Thanks to my returning subscribers for the love and support. I don't take you guys for granted. And also, if this is your first time coming across my channel, kindly join my family by clicking the red button down there that says subscribe. Now it is well mixed, so it's time. What you see me doing now is just creating some holes on the chicken so that the spices, the seasoning will be well penetrate. Okay, so I'm just doing this. It's time to add my mixture, so I'm going to take some out of it. Then I'll use my hand to rub it all over the chicken, making sure it is well coated. Every part is coated with the mixture. Then I make sure I dip it inside the holes that I created, as you can see me doing. Now it is well coated with the mixture, so I'm going to cover it up and place it in the fridge to marinate for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you can see I've brought it out from the fridge, and over there is my baking pan. So I'm going to transfer it into the baking pan. And at this point, I'm already preheating my oven at 180 degrees. It's already been preheated. So I'm going to transfer the chicken into the oven pan. Then I'll place it into the oven to start baking. Very simple to do. Checking on it after some minutes, you can see it still have a long way to go. So I'm going to flip it over so that all the parts will be well grilled. So I'm flipping it over, then I'll put it back and for it to continue grilling. Over here is the final result. You can see how moist and juicy it looks. Very yummy and inviting looking. That brings me to the end of today's video. Thank you all for watching. Till I come your way next time, stay blessed, stay safe, and bye bye.